Hey, what is going on YouTube? My name is Murdoch and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Pokéball for under $1. So first thing you need to do is gather your materials. You're going to need a styrofoam ball, acrylic paint, and tape. Painter's tape. Once you've gathered all your materials, you can start by painting the top half of your ball red. I was able to find the midpoint because my styrofoam ball had a line around the outside of it, just from where they fused the two halves together. But if yours doesn't, you can always eyeball it. It's a Pokéball for $1. It's not going to be perfect. It might help if you wrap a string around it too and trace where the string is. Anyways, first thing I did was paint the top of the Pokéball red. Paint on the Pokéball, I used a hair dryer. It speeds up the drying process significantly, but you don't have to. You can always just wait for the paint to dry. It's not mandatory to use a hair dryer. Anyway, so once the red part was dry, I started with the base, so the white part. You could always just leave the base white since it is a styrofoam ball, but I think the white acrylic paint gives it a better finish, makes it look better as a whole. So yeah, that's what I did next. I painted the base white.
Metapod.
Next was time to paint the middle. So I began by painting a black band around the center line that I had found before, but I realized that the edges weren't going to be sharp. So what I did next was I took painter's tape and wrapped it around the Pokéball, trying to make sure it was as even as possible. And while doing this, I did realize that some of the paint came off with the painter's tape when removing it, which was easy to fix. I just touched it up when I was done. Anyways, I wrapped it around as perfectly as possible and then painted it with white because I realized the black wasn't opaque enough to cover the red and the white. So I covered it in white since it's opaque, and then I covered that white in black paint. So that's how I got the edges so perfect and without being able to see any of the red through the black. Finally, it was time to make the button in the middle of the Pokeball. What I did was pretty simple. You'll see in the video. I painted a circle onto it and then just painted over the parts I wanted with black. So yeah, that's how you make an awesome Pokeball for under $1. Hope you enjoyed, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.